Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Maserati Granturismo. Start by lightly sketching the car's overall silhouette. Think of it as a long, sleek rectangle, approximately 3 times longer than it is tall. This initial outline helps establish the elegant proportions of this iconic sports car. Pay attention to the low roofline and wide stance, which are key to its distinctive look. Now let's add some key features. Carefully draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and proportional to the body. The Granturismo typically features large wheels, often 20 inches in diameter. Next, define the side windows, following the graceful arc of the roof. Don't forget to sketch the prominent oval grille and the sleek, almond-shaped headlights. It's time to bring out the Granturismo's unique character. Focus on refining the elegant body lines, particularly the smooth transition from the hood over the fenders. Include the iconic triple air vents on the front fenders, a signature Maserati detail. Carefully draw the door seams and any subtle creases that define the car's muscular yet refined form. These details truly capture its luxurious essence. For the final touches, let's add the iconic Maserati Trident emblem to the grille and the C-pillar. Detail the intricate spokes of the wheels and hint at the brake calipers behind them. Finally, use light shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Pay attention to how light would fall on the curved surfaces, enhancing the car's sleek and powerful appearance. This brings your Granturismo to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.